Up next is a 2016 Harley-Davidson FLHXSE Street Glide Screaming Eagle in colors white pearl and black with some purple stripes. So fancy it even has little floorboards instead of the pegs most of us have. Check the miles here. 2,114 miles, a 2016 model. Yeah, it's perfect. CVO, so upgraded everything, including sound. Deeper than factory saddlebags. Looking very cool. Great paint on this bike. Vance & Hines pipes, probably already said that. Screaming Eagle 110 engine, 6-speed transmission. It's a 2016 with 2,114 miles, so yeah, still perfect. And imagine how good it would look in your garage. That particular process starts with a test ride at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.